Hi, good afternoon. This is Jason with Majestec Security Screens. We're here at our client's home today in El Cajon, where we've installed two of our Majestec invisible sliding security screen doors. You can see here our sliding screen door looks much like regular insect mesh, but if we take a closer look here, this is our pure marine grade stainless steel security mesh, which cannot be cut with a knife, any sort of hand tools. It can't be broken out of its frame as it's fastened inward around the entire perimeter. Also, we'll take a look here on the other door that's unlocked. I'll show a couple key features of our product. So our sliding screen doors, all of our security doors in fact, come with a 3-point multi-lock system. So the door locks not only at the handle, but also in 3 spots down the entire side. In the back here, we have an interlock piece, one that attaches to their stationary glass door, one that attaches to our sliding screen door. What that does, when the door is closed, the two pieces cup one another, preventing anyone from prying the back side of our screen door away from the glass door. Also, our door rides in its own lower and upper tracks. What that does is prevent anyone from possibly prying the door up and off of the tracks, as could happen if it was installed on your existing insect screen door tracks. You can see here there's quite a bit of privacy through the mesh looking into the home, but let's take a look from inside real quick and I'll demonstrate why we call these invisible security screens. Here's the visibility of our screen from in the home looking outward. Even though you're fully secure and buttoned up, your visibility is not obstructed by unsightly bars or grills. You can still see straight outside through our mesh, also getting excellent airflow. Thanks for joining us today. Again, this is Jason with Majestec Security Screens. We're here in El Cajon. If we could answer any questions for you, please feel free to give us a call at 855-MAJESTEC or check us out on the web at majestecsocal.com. Thanks for joining us today, and I'm sure we'll talk to you real soon.